Alright, I wanted to make a simple video about how to create a link that's a phone number and a link that is an email. I opened up a notepad, saved it to my desktop as a .html file, and this is a standard link setup right here. Now, right here you put the text of what you want the link to actually be, and this is the URL page .html. If I had a second page right here named URL instead of phone number, I could link directly to that page. So that's a regular setup for a link, and now you can copy and paste the entire thing. So if I wanted to change this, it wouldn't change where it's going. It goes to this URL.html no matter what. So I can change this to anything I want, and it will still link to the exact same spot. So you can name this whatever you want, and then you can even change the font inside of it if you wanted to change the color of the link. But for the telephone, it's a tel : phone number set up just like this. You have to put the dashes and you have to put the tel : right here. So inside the parentheses of this link, when you click on it, is starting a phone call. So if someone's using a phone, an iPhone or something like that, when they're on your website, instead of just clicking around on the desktop, then you can actually click this and it will be a phone call right here. So you can change this set. You can leave it as text. You can make it a call to action if you want to, where it's a big button and it just looks like a phone number. You can actually put the phone number in any format that you want to right here. Like I said, this is a text that you can just add to right here. This can change to anything that you want, and it will pull up this phone number. This is the phone number that you're actually calling here. Similar with an email will pull up your Outlook email. So you change this to email, or you can make it say your email if you want to, but you don't have to. Very similar though. Mail to : and then you put the email address chris@chrisbell.com, and it just says email. So I'm going to control save this, refresh this. All you have to do is drag this in like this. I should have put these in paragraphs, but I'm going to do a line break right here. This is a very simple line break, 2 of them, just to make these on different lines. Line break, and line break, save, refresh. This link is going to url.html, which I have not created, so that's why it just looked like that. This is a phone number. It's trying to pick up a phone and call it right now, but it's not working. Obviously, I need to set this up. I need to be doing this on my phone in order to click this link, which I can't access my desktop on my phone, so I can't exactly show you the specific way unless I was doing this on my phone. But this one I can show you an email. It'll open up the Outlook, and it will show you, close, add an account. I don't want to do that right now. But that's what it's trying to do. It's trying to open up my Outlook, and it plugs in this email right here. So really all it's doing is saving the user a step. If I just had my email listed here without an actual link around it, chris@chrisbell.com, it just shows as text, and somebody can copy and paste it into their Outlook and send that email right here by copy and pasting this. I mean, this is a little bit neater. It shows that you know a little bit about what you're doing. So when you click on this, it pulls up the Outlook for you. It puts this right into the sending box, and then you have to fill out the rest of your email just like a regular email. So really it's only saving you a small step, but it does look kind of cool if you want it to be on your website that way. Phone number, same thing. So you can turn this entire phone number into a like a div and div. So now everything that's styled inside that div is going to be around that. So if I want to style a background, green, and save that, refresh, I have a green background. I can change the height and width. Let's make it 200 pixels. Height 200 pixels. Let's make it a nice square. And padding so that it's not touching. See how it's touching the top left edge? I can put padding around it so that it doesn't touch either edge. Padding 10 pixels from each spot at least so that it does not touch an edge. Control save, refresh. You can change the color of that link because it looks gross right now. Color white. Save, refresh. It's because I already clicked the link. Color white. Text declaration none. Save. Oh, background color green. So the text in here is turning, but the link is not. This link, color white, needs to be inside this style equals color white. Save. Refresh. So make it look neater. So that's how you do it. That is how you set up a phone number link, an email link, and a standard link. But doing this is not the end of the world. And you can change this and style this so that it underlines and looks like this anyway if you want to. But that's it.